This tutorial will walk you through the process of creating a new community. To create a new community, you need a PalmID with 3 different social verifiers. You can find a tutorial on how to create and verify your PalmID if needed.
From the home page, click on the 2 lines in the top left corner of the screen to expand the menu and see the different sections of the Palm Collective. Click on Communities. This will take you to the Communities section. Explore the available communities in the Palm Collective and join those of interest. But for now, let's create a new community. Scroll back to the top and click Create New Community in the upper right corner. This will open a form where you can input essential information to create your community. Include a name, an image, a banner, and additional details to personalize your community, such as a tagline, mission, or description. Add a category, social media links, website details, and upload pertinent documents if applicable. Once the required information is filled in, click Submit to create your community. After a few seconds, your community will be created. A confirmation pop-up will appear, granting access to the Community Admin panel. Click on the link to go there. There, you can see the communities you manage. If you expand the left menu, you can notice that a new section has been added at the bottom, giving direct access to the admin panel. Click on the community you want to manage. At the moment, you can create proofs, create open calls, and a discussion forum will be introduced shortly.